Hi children, welcome back. In this video we will discuss question number 6, 7 and 8. Look at the sixth question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Wide means what? Wide means breadth, is it? To fit the frame, to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So, what is given the question? Width of the picture is given there and width of the frame is given there. We have to put that picture inside that frame. So, the width of the picture should not be more than the width of the frame, is it? So, what we have to write first? First you write the statements. What is given there in the question? Width of the picture is given there. Width of the picture. What is the width of the picture? 7 3 by 5 centimeter. It is a mixed fraction, so you convert it into improper fraction. So 7 into 5, 35 plus 3, 38 by 5 centimeter. So we know the width of the picture. Now continue the question. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter. That means, what is 7 3 by 10 centimeter? That is the width of the frame. So, write down width of the frame is equal to 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Again, it is a mixed fraction. You convert it into improper fraction. What is the answer? 7 into 10, 70, 70 plus 3, 73 by 10 centimeter. It cannot be more than this centimeter, is it? So, how much should the picture be trimmed? First, we have to find whether the width of the picture is larger than the width of the frame. Then only this trimming is needed, is it? So, what we have to do first? First, we have to compare the width of the picture and we have to compare the width of the frame. So, first you compare these two fractions. Compare 38 by 5 and 73 by 10. First we have to compare. Why we are doing this comparison? First we have to find whether the width of the picture is larger than the width of the frame. So, how will we do the comparison? First you find the LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 10? Those who are having doubt, do the division method. What is LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Now we have to find the equivalent fraction, is it? So, 38 by 5 is equal to, what you can write, 5 into 2 is 10. So, 38 into 2. What is the answer? 38 into 2, what is the answer? 76 by 10. And 73 by 10, the denominator is 10 itself. So, 10 into 1 will give the answer 10, is it? So, 73 into 1, what is the answer you got? 73 by 10. Now, compare these two fractions. They are like fractions. That means, denominators are same. 76 by 10 and 73 by 10. They are like fractions because their denominators are same. If the denominators are same, we need to compare only the numerator. Greater numerator will be the greatest fraction. So, which is the greatest fraction here? 76 or 73? Which one is greater? 76 is greater. So, we can say 76 by 10 is greater than 73 by 10. And look at here. 76 by 10 is equivalent to which fraction? 38 by 5 is greater than 73 by 10 is equivalent to 73 by 10 itself. And we know that this is the width of the picture and this is the width of the frame. So, we can see that width of the picture is greater than the width of the frame. So, we should have to trim. So, how will we find that? How do we get that answer? You have to find the difference, is it? 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. What is the answer you got? 76 minus 73. What is the answer? 3 by 10 centimeter. So what you got here? The picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Then only we can fit that picture inside that particular frame. Just go through the answer one more time. What is given there in the question? Width of the picture is given there and we have to put that picture inside one frame, and width of the frame is given there, and what is given there? The picture cannot be more than this much of centimeter. So first we have to find whether the frame or the picture, which width is greater, is it? So first you compare that two fractions. After comparing that two fractions, we got width of the picture is greater than the width of the frame. That's why we are finding the difference. So we got the answer as 3 by 10 centimeters. So we can say the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, what you can write here? Picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Then only you can fit this picture inside that particular frame. Hope this question is clear for everyone. Move to the next question. What is the next question? Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share and by how much? There are 3 sections in this question. First we have to find how much part did Somu eat. Okay, then what is second part? Who had the larger share? That is the second part. And what is the third part of the question? By how much? So first you write down what is given there in the question. They are telling about one apple. So we will say, we will take the whole part as 1. Whole part of the apple is, whole part of the apple be 1. Okay, whole part means the full apple. Now, what part of the apple was eaten by Ritu? 3 by 5. So write down part of the apple eaten by Ritu. What is given there? 3 by 5. Now continue the question. How much part was eaten by her brother? We are having full apple with us and already 3 by 5 part already eaten by Ritu. So how will we find the part of the apple eaten by the brother? How will we find? We have to do subtraction. Eaten by Somu. How will we find 1 minus 3 by 5? Again fraction subtraction is coming. So what you have to do? Find the LCM. What is the LCM of? If there is no denominator, I told you the LCM is, the denominator is 1. So what is the LCM of 1 and 5? 5 itself. So what is the answer? You will get 5 minus 3 by 5. How did you get this 5 minus 3 by 5? Do the subtraction in the working column. 1 minus 3 by 5. Here the LCM is 5. So what you have to do? Convert them into like fractions. Then only we can do the subtraction. Okay. 1 into 5 and 1 into 5. What is the answer? 5 by 5. 1 means the full part, is it? And 3 by 5. What you will get? 3 into 1 by 5 into 1. What is the answer? 3 by 5. So what you can write? 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. In short, you can write 5 minus 3 by 5. So what is the answer? 2 by 5. So what part of the apple was eaten by Somu? 2 by 5. And part of the apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. So we got the first part of the question, is it? What is the first part? How much part of the apple did Somu eat? What part he ate? 2 by 5. Now what is the second part of the question? Who had the larger share? That means we have to compare this and we have to compare this, is it? This is the part of the apple eaten by Ritu and this is the part of the apple eaten by Somu. We have to find who had the largest share. So how will we find 3 by 5? We have to compare 3 by 5 and compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. We can see that they are like fractions. Like fractions means denominators are same. If the denominators are same, greater numerator will be the greatest fraction. Okay, greater numerator will be the greatest fraction. So what you can write, 3 or 2, which one is the greatest number? 3. So we can write 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. So 3 by 5 is whose fraction? So we can say Ritu had the larger share. So who had the larger share? Ritu had the larger share. Then, and we have to find by how much. What is the third part of the question? By how much. That means what we have to find the difference between that two, is it? So you find out the difference also. So what you can write? Difference is equal to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. What is the answer? 1 by 5. Okay. So what you can write here? Ritu had taken 1 by 5 part more than Somu. What you can write here? Ritu had taken 1 by 5 more than Somu. Okay, I think this answer is clear. What is given there in the question? What is given there in the question and what we have to find out here? Just go through the answer one more time. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of the apple. We already wrote the statement like that. And remaining part was eaten by the brother Somu. So we have to find how much part of the apple did Somu eat. How will we find that answer? 1 minus the part eaten by Ritu. What answer you got? 2 by 5. And the second part of the question, who had the largest share? That means we have to compare these two fractions. They are like fractions. So the greater numerator will be the greatest fraction. So what answer you got? 1 by 5. So what is the final answer? Ritu had taken 1 by 5 more than Somu. I think this answer is clear. Move to the next question. What is the next question? Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. What is the time taken by Michael? Time taken by Michael is 7 by 12 hours. Okay. Then Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Vaibhav take only 3 by 4 hours for coloring the same picture. Now what is the first part of the question? Who worked longer? Who worked longer? That means what we have to compare that two fractions, is it? And by what fraction? By what fraction means what? We have to find the difference also. So move to the answer. How will we write the first statement? How will we write the first statement? Okay, how will we write the first statement? Time taken by Michael. What is the time taken by Michael? 7 by 12 hours. 7 by 12 hours. Now what will be this next statement? Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. So what will be the next statement? Time taken by Vaibhav. What is the time? 3 by 4 hours. Now read the first part of the question. Who worked longer? That means what? Who worked longer? That means we have to compare these two fractions, is it? So you compare 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. We can see that they are unlike fractions. If you want to compare to unlike fractions, what you have to do first? You have to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 12 and 4. So first we have to find the LCM of 12 and 4. So you find out the LCM of 12 and 4. What is LCM? Do the LCM in your working column. So 2, 6, 2, then 2, 3, 1. So what is the LCM you got? LCM 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So you got the LCM as 12. Now you write the first fraction 7 by 12. Again 12 into which number give the answer? 1. So 7 into 1. What is the answer? 7 by 12. Okay, then you take the next fraction 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is equal to 4 into which number will give the answer? 12. 4 into 3 will give the answer 12. So multiply 3 to the numerator also. So what you will get? 9 by 12. So we have to compare these two fractions. 7 by 12, 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Okay, 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Which one is greater? If the denominators are same, greater numerator will be the greatest fraction. So we can say 7 by 12 is less than 9 by 12. And just look at 7 by 12 is equivalent to which fraction? 7 by 12 itself. That is less than 9 by 12 is equivalent to 3 by 4. Is it? And whose time is 3 by 4? Just go through the answer one more time. 3 by 4. Time taken by Vaibhav is 3 by 4 and time taken by Michael is 7 by 12. So what is the answer we got here? 7 by 12 is less than 3 by 4. So who worked longer? Who worked longer here? What is the question? Who worked longer? So who worked longer here? Vaibhav worked longer. Okay, answer is clear. This is the greater number, is it? So what you can write here? 3 by 4 is greater than 7 by 12. What is the time? So this is the time of Vaibhav. This is who is the next person? Michael, is it? So we can say Vaibhav worked longer. And by how much is there? How? And what was the, by what fraction was it longer? So how will we find that? We have to do the subtraction. Do the subtraction. 9 by 12 minus 1 by 12. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. What is the answer? 2 by 12. And we also studied the lowest term of the fraction. Divide by a common factor. Divide by 2. Divide by the highest common factor. What you will get? 1 by 6. 3 by 4 is greater than 7 by 12. So what we got? Vaibhav worked longer. And one more question is there, by what fraction? So how will we find? You have to find the difference with these two like fractions, is it? So 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. What is the answer? 1 by 6. So what we can say here? Vaibhav, what you can say here? Vaibhav takes 1 by 6 more than Michael. I think this answer is clear for everyone. That's all for today. Thank you, children.